And we come to the last question on our practice test, question number 77. If you've watched all the videos, you'll be commended. You should probably receive an award for having to sit through all of that. But if this is the last video you've watched on ones you've worked with, then I hope it's been helpful. All right, question 77. If triangles are the triangles similar? So that's what we're trying to determine first, is yes or no. And if so, determine the scale factor of the triangles. Now, scale factor, remember, similar triangles are two triangles that the corresponding parts are that many times bigger, and it's by the same scale factor. So if one side doubles, all the other sides that correspond to the respective figure will double. And you can't have one double, one triple, and one quadruple. That would not be a similar triangle. Right now, I have a little mini lesson here on our notation. So we have triangle PQR to triangle EFD. Now our corresponding parts are what we're looking for, and I'm going to use different markers here as we go through these in order to match our pieces up. Now what they've done is they've flipped our triangle around and turned it over so the smaller one is not in the same order as the bigger one. No problem. They have given us the statement we're to use, and that statement is what we talked about here. Triangle PQR to EFD. Oh, this mouse is messing up. All right, so let's talk first. So we want to talk side PQ. So we're going to draw side PQ, which is this one here in green. And it is the first and second letter of this triangle. So it is congruent to the first and second letter of the other triangle. So that is EF. Of course, I've kind of marked over the F there, but we know it's EF. All right, so we'll do that one in green. Now, this has gotten a scale factor of 2 because this one was 4 and this one is 8, so it is twice as big. So it is a 2 to 1 scale factor. Let me change to a blue marker here for the next one. So now we want to look at Q and R. This is the second and third letters, so I will draw Q to R in blue, and the second and third letter here would be F to D. And if it holds true, then this larger one should be 2 times larger than the smaller one if it is a similar triangle. So this is 8.5, and 2 times that would be 17. So our scale factor of 2 is still holding true. As we marked, EF is 4, PQ is 8, so PQ is twice EF, and QR is twice DF. So far so good. I'll switch to a red marker to look at our last one. So the only one side we haven't done yet is PR, and we'll look, that is the first and third letter, and so it should correspond to ED, which is the first and third letter of that triangle. And if the similarity holds true, then it should be 2 times larger, and 20 is 2 times larger than 10. So yes, these are similar triangles, and their scale factor is 2 to 1. So to recap this, to determine similarity, all the corresponding sides must increase by the same factor. So if they double, if one side doubles, all the other sides must double. And then to use our map here that they give us on our letters, we just match up letters. First and second letter goes with first and second letter of the other triangle. Second and third goes with second and third. And first and third goes with first and third. And we kind of mark them all out, double check, and we see that it is a scale factor of 2. And that was our answer B.